This renovation has been an amazing thing to be a part of. I came in here in June, right as we were starting to, really get started on the renovation. And I think it's going to be a huge thing, not only for our student athletes, but for the Decorah community as well.
This is a great event, and I know they've spent a lot remodeling this recreation center. Well-deserved, and just continues to grow, and important part of the community.
I love the driftless, is it topography on the wall? The mural's so beautiful, and obviously kind of like incorporates the rest of campus and the lower campus, which I think is really important.
It's really exciting, especially in the past. We haven't been able to host indoor tennis meets, and now with the new surface, we're able to host. It looks beautiful, and yeah, it's been a great addition for the team.
Great occasion here for Bob Naslund. He's probably been around here as long as I have, but one of the great people.
The gratitude that we do feel towards those who have been here, those are still here, those who are going to be here, the gratitude is well received, it is recognized, and it is hopefully the sign of a new renewal of a lot of things down in Lower Campus, and we're so excited that this can be the first indoor project that we complete.